Greetings everyone, today let's go to the workshop to see our Lastest developed large battery module combination shredding system. The key point of this system is that it can achieve the overall crushing of large battery modules and improve the recovery efficiency. Secondly, in terms of the intelligent safety and environmentally friendly, we are equipped with flame detectional arm and temperature detection system, which can monitor the operating status in good time to ensure that the oxygen content is controlled within 2%. For the dust and waste gas generated in the crushing process, it is equipped with a special stuff for collection and treatment, and the whole process is sealed and operated under negative pressure to ensure no dust overflow and environmentally friendly. The system mainly consists of feeding part, shredder, dust removal set, and monitoring control system, etc. Waste large battery modules are fed into the shredder through the feeding device and broken into fragments or particles, which is more convenient to the subsequent extraction and separation of various metal materials inside the battery. If you are interested in the waste power battery processing equipment, please contact us.